As we enter the holiday season, health officials are encouraging the public to take extra precautions. News Channel 3's Madison Weil has more on what they are asking the public to consider before gathering with loved ones.
Health officials I spoke with say they know people are going to want to travel and get together for the holidays. They're just asking that people do that as safely as possible, especially if you're going to be around immunocompromised or vulnerable family members. Health experts still encouraging the same COVID-19 protocols this holiday season.
We do recommend masking if you're going to be in close indoor spaces, masking particularly if you're unvaccinated, but masking also if you're vaccinated, if you're going to be around people who are immunocompromised.
Making slight adjustments at your gatherings to reduce the risk of spreading COVID-19.
Have gatherings outdoors to try to maintain some degree of social distancing, good ventilation.
While masking, social distancing, and hand washing are all good practices, officials say the best thing you can do is make sure everyone in your family is up to date on their vaccines.
Hands down, the best protection we can possibly have is vaccine and, if appropriate, boosters.
With breakthrough cases possible in the community, you might also consider getting tested if you're going to be around vulnerable people. Officials are also reminding people that the most accurate test out there right now is a standard PCR test done by a professional. You can easily buy one of these at-home rapid tests at a local pharmacy. The way it works, it's a self-swab you then place in a tube of solution. You then test that solution. It's pretty easy. You have results in about 10 minutes or so, but health officials say these aren't always the most accurate.
Expecting people at home to be able to really do a proper nasopharyngeal swab, for example, to get really the best quality specimen to test is a big challenge.
Experts say these at-home rapid tests can miss certain COVID-19 cases.
Cases where people are early on in their infection, where they may not yet have symptoms, where they don't have a lot of virus yet in their body, the antigen tests, those home tests might miss those cases.
Health practices to keep in mind with the holidays just around the corner. Madison Weil, News Channel 3.